I have 348 subscribers on YouTube and I want more, so I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna use my abandoned TikTok account to see how much subscribers can I get in a day. So hold on to your horses because this is gonna be a bumpy ride.
What the heck?
Well, I didn't have to make a TikTok video, so I'm gonna have to study them. Okay, I have a video idea. Why not a clip of the first part of the video?
What the heck?
6 views. Oh my days, bro.
Don't care, still don't.
Okay, I'll think about posting one more video. If this fails, the video is over. My video literally is just a velocity edit. For now, let's come back in a week and see if we got any results.